Hey everybody, this song goes out to anybody that had it took me a long time to get to the studio, 35 years. Now we just did it. Thank you, shout out to my boy Tape. Now we just did it. It doesn't matter what the world throws at me. What can you all say? It's Donnie Ray's payday. Nowhere to run away when life gets harder. Told you all the same thing. Superstar. What can I say? The name's Donnie Ray, and soon it will be my payday. No more staying in my mom's basement. The ladies say I'm quite adventurous. Drive the mongoose all over the beaches. Little did they know, little Donnie making C's, hiding under the bleacher seats, would be your mom's favorite YouTube star. Yes, and your sister falls asleep to my voice, ASMR. My dad tried to teach me how to fix a car, hunt, ride a boat, but daddy didn't know. He didn't know how good his son is with the rocket launcher. Hey, Halo, Halo, Halo. Told y'all this flow won't let me go. My time is rhymes to write out this basement. Destination, fame, space station, no Mars PlayStation.
Full court today with Donnie Ray.
Hey, over here!
Good with friends, keep my decisions private. Low water levels, cousins believe the best network priority. Overlook the cost of deep, have the cost of deep. Treat it as they felt it, treat it as they felt it.
Right, yeah.
Doesn't matter what the world throws at me. What can you all say? It's Donnie Ray's payday. Nowhere to run away when life gets harder. Told you all the same thing. Superstar. Hey, what's up everybody? Thank y'all for checking my track out.